By popular demand, we have created a new feature for our VET-ECG software that will enable you to set an event marker while recording an ECG. For instance, this feature can be used to set a timestamp when atropine has been administered. Here's how it works. Let's go ahead and start a recording. Now, let's say we've administered atropine. Double-click onto the ECG window. Enter a text or comment into this box. This feature will save the last 10 entries, and you may select from a previous text block or write a new one. Click OK once you are done. You may add more comments at any time by double-clicking on the ECG window. When done recording, press Stop. You can find your markers by either manually scrolling through the ECG or by clicking on the desired marker here on the side window. If necessary, you can also edit the marker name by clicking here. Click the comment box again to make the side panel disappear. That's all for now. If you have any questions, please send us an email to info@dextronix.com. Thanks for watching.